Oh boy, we got another project. Oh, you can't really see it. Got an R6. Dark over here. Had to go to Sonola Tacos while we're over here. Best tacos in Las Vegas. Stuff is legit. Tacos. We were over by Sonola Tacos. Definitely had to make a pit stop. Yeah, we were all ready to fire up that Yamaha FZ1, but then this guy finally messaged back about this R6. So we had to scoop it up. 2004 Yamaha R6, supposedly 34,000 miles. The ad said that it was sitting for 6 months, and while it was sitting, someone tried messing with the ignition. And then when I got there, it turned out he actually looped out the bike. And then while it was sitting there broken, someone messed with the ignition, and now the steering is locked. And then the kid, he didn't even know what to do with it. And then when I thought I was the first one coming to look at this thing, and then when I get there, I thought it was his buddy, but it turned out it's actually a guy I sold a bike to about a year ago. He was there, he got there before me and he was looking at it. I hate it when people have more than one person come to look at the bike, you know, like what if that guy took it? I would have drove there for nothing. So anyways, since that guy, I know this guy was a hard negotiator, so once he wasn't gonna take it, I knew I could offer even less. Because I know that guy definitely lowballed him. And then there was just, the more and more I looked at it, I kept finding more and more stuff wrong with it. But I got it for a decent price. If this motor is good, we're okay. If the motor's junk, then definitely made a bad financial decision. This is one of the things I didn't notice till I just got back here, that the trailer's covered in oil, that the stator cover had a crack in it. Hopefully that's the worst part of the motor, it's just the stator cover. The handlebar's broken, that I saw. You know, plastics, just stupid stuff. It's got a dent in the tank. Not terrible, but it always stinks when it gets the tank. Not the worst. It's not the worst thing, but I think if we get this running and riding correctly and maybe don't go crazy with it, we can make some money. Or we'll just sell the motor and sell some parts. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I got a problem with buying stuff. But yeah, I really wanted to try to start this before I went to bed, but now it's late. What time is it now? It was like 8:30, I had this all set up. I was literally just about to start messing with it, and I was like, let me just go check my messages to see if this guy answered. I've been waiting for him to reply back. But yeah, it's 10:15 right now, so I might leave it for the morning. Let me go eat those tacos. But yeah, we got another project, another one. We'll have to dig deeper into this, but I don't even really want to mess with this till I finish this almost. But then another part of me wants to open up that ignition and see if this thing turned over, see what happens. But that's it for now. More projects. That's how we do. Thanks for watching.